Jesse, so we me and me. Red Jesse, so we me and me. Come on, do it. Red Jesse, so we me and me. Are you going to pump? You going to need pump? And if you was the 200 plus in a month, but not me go where? I go where? And I just go away. Said it. I go away.
It's been safe.
Do it for me.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it. And I just think I'm moving
Don't have time for this rubbish.
Hey, scammer. There's scammers. Hey, scammer.
Believe it or not, they're scammers. We're not lying. We have proof as well.
I have proof. I have a lot of proof. A month, one son will just pay 200 plus every month. He will pay tithe. Let me show you guys.
I think she's lying.
I don't lie.
He wants to go live.
Hey, let her go live. I will go live with you. See, that will be doing live every minute of the day. On your head. Boy. Who was bear watching and who to like below about gone?
Scammers.
Do go happy you win. I know what page you that going. Look at you people to see.
She has proof. Okay, that's good. That just shows that he removed the group. That doesn't matter.
Let
Mommy, let me show him.
He will pay 30 pounds. He will pay chocolate. I don't know what they call it in the church. He will pay 10 pounds. He will pay all free. He will pay 40 pounds. He will pay 10% of salary, 75 pounds. Then he will pay. Come on, with something for me.
I don't know what to call.
Then he will pay venue, house rent. He will pay house rent again, church house rent. After 10%, he will pay house rent 50 pounds. You people are heartless. Church is heartless. Pastors are heartless. Look at it. This is the money is paid. You people should look at it.
Mommy,
zoom it and let people the whole world hear me. Let the whole world hear me. I'm in pain. I will do 24 hours. When my son can provide, when my son can give people 200 pounds in a month. I will go between 44 hours. When my son can give church 200 euro, 200 pounds in a month, more than 200. Papa just will carry my son to work. We'll be collecting 5 pounds for join. He will say, join that box. He will be collecting 5 pounds for drugs. Why are you a pastor? Why are you the pastor? You can change house. My son cannot change house. You can do with your wife have a car. My son cannot buy a car.
Not even
the boy is dying in silence. The boy is swallowing in pain. The boy is in pain. It's in pain. What's up with me? What are you showing me? If they can't come with showing me, or pure. He's showing me pure. What's that? Hello. I'm in Facebook Live. Pastor is threatening me. Pastor says he is angry. I should regret in a coin. To her. To the sucker pastor. Scammer they have. Scammer pastor. Scammer. I'm in life. Video. Pastor. Pastor was having me. Pastor Noah. Pastor Emmanuel. Pastor Naomi. Leave my son. No. Oh my God. Pastor, savez me. Pastor, we are more. Pastor, no more people we are more. I will me Martin. Me no the money you touch today. Pastor, we me Martin. Me no the money you touch today. Pastor, we me. maman. Et pas ça moi même maman. Et quand tu dis comme non. Et pas ça moi même maman. Et pas ça moi même maman. Je vois quoi. Il m'a fait quoi. Et pas même j'aime moi. Et la même moi. Tu vois y a t'avais pas ça. Et j'avais y a t'avais pas ça. Et pas ça moi même pour toi. Et pas ça moi même maman. Et pas ça moi même maman. Je vois quoi. 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 Et pas tant oui est mort. Mais regarde pas Dieu nous voit. Et pas tant oui est mort. Et pas tant oui est mort. Pas tant oui mort. Et pas tant oui est mort. Pas tant oui est mort. Waga. 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 Ni metete. Ni metete. Bagi. Bagi.
Good.
Bagi. Bagi. Tell it on way. Oh, my. Iyan ri kun noya. Iyan ri ebe noya. Iyan ri wani ya noya. Iyan. My God. E mo na me lo. Mo pa ko kiya o. E na mi ri no igo mi mere. E na mi o ya ke butiki. Igo mi mo ya ke butiko.
But the Elvis is calling you.
Igo mo ya ke butiki na mi. Igo mo ya ke butiki. Na mi ri igo mi mere. Na mi ri igo mi mere. Igo mi mere. You got me married. You got me married. And I told me, come Wapupe. Come Wakin. Come. Now Miss Kama. Pastor Noah, Pastor now Miss Kama. Here Renuti. Nuti pass for sure. And now me Renuti pass for check. Every month, 200 plus. I'll be nice to be churchy. Every month, 200 plus, it's too dirty. It's too 200 plus the church. Bokichi. Equal Pupe Waro. When I did God, who know the audacity, who know Yatime, who Bembo, who is you? How dare you? How dare you? Who Bembo, Menopion, who Bembo, who many rapper. May I come up with John Meme? No, you come up here.
Hello?
You can come up with John Meme up here, eh? I want some. I cannot go your question. 1 minute. Pastor calling me. Pastor calling me. Pastor we mo. Pastor we mo give me marry garden me ma calling you. Me na wanna be better me by church today. Atie. Pastor ma go me kwa. Ona ina go ma go me kwen life. Iya ta me life, iya ta mo ta gbon na no soon. Ogweda we di bata. Ogweda we dupon. Ogweda we we go ne gbe. E ta me ra ti no kwe go ja we go ne gbe. Se po ki amu die church. E we no die me na wanna ta we do by church today. E me ni na ta mama. E me ni na ta mama. Nitebe. I'm on my from KG to secondary school. I'm on my to university level. You not talking like webo. Pastor mama. Pastor Naomi. Oya ke boutique in Nigeria where they come. You go with no. We go with a church ya boro you go. I'm going to go to the church ya boro. Wow, me for good 5 years. Me wonder. 5 years. I want to the 200 for times 5 years. You go to give you a power to make time say. Wagume test na masa na ya live video. Ona ma ya so na so la dia. E record no ogbe get gwan. Ogun ye mo me record ro. Me ga pe nu wa pa. E dada gbe kan ya we na fi jo wo hun. E mo ti Jesu na ye ni e to oge. E mo ti Jesu. Pastor, who sorry? Who sorry? How? Pastor no. Pastor no mi o. Wa so ni amen. Wa ga ti me. Hello. Hello. He said, there is record. He said I should not talk. He said I don't have right to talk. He said it's not regarding. I should call him first. I should consult him first before Innocent will leave the church. I give you authority. I give the order for Innocent to leave the church. He said no, it's not possible. Why would it be possible? Why? Why would it be possible? So the old one has to settle us. Let the old one settle us. Let the old one settle us. Oh my God. I'm screaming yes because I'm dying. I'm dying. My son is dying slowly. My son is going slowly. My son is dying. Me, I'm dying. I'm dying. I will do 44 hours for my children to have a better life. There's one soccer pastor out there calling Papa Noah and Papa Noah and Naomi. Papa Jesse and Papa Jancy. They are Papa Jancy, they are Papa Jesse. They live in Newton. A student will be paying more than 200 plus pounds in every month. Is it not too much, my people? Is it not too much? Should I just keep quiet? You people should give me an answer. I need the answer from you people. Please. Do you know what I need the answer? I need the answer.
Check this video.
Don't walk oh, Ibu. Era me jere woji. Era me tell about the gawo. Oh, tell about the fie cake bugwa. Oh, tell about me no gwa ga the fie cake bugwa. Very well, come here. Come working. Come working. Come working. How? Yeah, come working. Oruwepe. It's over being. It's over cooking. It's a money go come be moti. It's no me go be moti.
I'll call him right now. I'll call him. Hello? Hello?
Precious.
Sir?
Precious.
Sir?
See, go and do what I want you to go and do.
Do not do anything. Don't move an inch.
Okay.
Don't move an inch. Don't go anywhere.
Okay.
Don't go anywhere. I can not suffer past everyone. Don't go anywhere. I can not suffer past everyone. You should go out to eternity for what? A pastor pay eternity here. A pastor you're going to pay eternity. For what reason? How dare him? He starts to do talk. A pastor when he make one. A pastor when you move. A matter. A bonnet. Area to one many. Who never why I bury any. And that's the way more cooking. And that's the way more cooking. And that's the way women are wet. Oh, me again, pastor. Oh my God. Don't pick.
Okay.
Pastor mo me mi mama o. Pastor mo me mi mama o. Pastor mo me mi mama o. Pastor mo me mi mama. 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 Ya waka. He wouldn't. For good 5 years. I'm me wonder.
I don't understand what I don't understand.
He said they were sick. Woman were funny. A pastor got bomb oh, wow. He said there was someone with phone. Obimare, what you kagani ade? I met it before you got the away 1 minute. You have to wear mommy. You got the one you have to wear mommy. You got Joy Jamwa or we go green. We're driving at 34 or we go green. You know why now in a boy or we go green. Eddie go come 44 hours a week. Every week. It's so far. They pay me in the jail. He don't win now. They get stressing ya. You're going to have a better life. You're going to have a better life here. You don't know the mommy. Oh, you don't know the mommy. Oh, master, no tell me, man. Oh, master, damn it. Don't say that. Don't not say that. That's what I'm going to say. Don't mind it. I mean, I give me life. I give me life. Yes, me mouth. I can you give me. Yes, me mouth. Go. Okay. Give me this. You know where? Why is she go? Make me mom tell her they can't drive. Ah, when mommy. If you mom tell her now, he made a new thing 3 years ago when kids were driving. Who must have driving? Bagay me. Who must have driving? But soon, you get caught now. The ladder gone. Do must have driving. There you know. Ya Timoto nekere nuja uboba. Uga ubobane. Uwe practical for. Oh, but mommy. You know, it's automatic. You know, with them, the manual no. Oh, say automatic. Emmanuel. Oh, do like Emmanuel, the Emmanuel. But off the phone. Here in the past way, Emmanuel. No, now off it. Why off it anything? You get pastor, you pay a penny. Pastor pay me. Oh, you more pay no, you pay penny. So, away. They want 5G. You know, when you get 1.5, so you must not get 1.5 automatically. Emma, last, or a man or say, oh, one of ye. Or we go green now. We are. Well, driving a fatty, we go. Demoto, we go. More one in my method, you can do the lot of or 100. O matter there. O matter more, Wabe. Focus in a one in go baby, ne? Because the students on the right no ya wagwa kere no ya leave. In go me. Udame me tu kwasi. Aga bobo se kana me monoro gwako. Me wayaku. Bi aga mu gwako me no report one. E making. Mo gwako kini ne. Be bi ja bi ja no ma bagbo. Do talo bona blessing me one by one. E want ta. No go gwako kere ja we. Ne de pastor. Ne de pastor. Scammer. I walking. Scam wapu. He come wapu. He come like God. Then you got the matin. Everything I will have. Okay. I do today. Damn. I know where. What did you go with me? We in 750. 750 near me. Yeah, 350 you go. Yeah. A bus pass. Yeah, do you ever? Yeah, guys, I'm just alone. Papa, EJ, I went churchy. I mean, I was there. I went 10%. Share this video, share it, and let the other on that Facebook and share this video for.
Yes, ma'am.
Share it, share this video, share it, and let people hear me. The pastor, his pastor, they are scammer. They should leave my stuff for me. Leave my stuff for me. Leave my stuff. A pastor, okay, pastor, I rule la lafi. I rule la lafi. Beg at me. You know when you go me. Oh, when I pay go, you can have the 500. You go, you can be Jenny. But 750, you go, you can.
Okay, 250.
Okay. I went 250. You go on your church. Now, how? I went 10%. Then you get your church. You never say 10%. You know when me basuku. Make what divide. You go menos say. You go menos say. You go plus say. But 10%. Dine. 10% that you know where. Do no any. No yata bra ni. Yata me 10%. The me 10%. Share it.
Okay.
Share this video. Wagay. Share it.
I am.
You know where? Only 10%. Waga kume kukbele bobe no jemeja go. Waga kume kukbele no jemeja go. Eya ke agba maya. Pastor we me that in Jagu. Obi here calling ye. Ideo. You know where? Ide. Chai.
I have.
Hey, stop that. It's disturbing. So, put it in charge. I can't see for how we go left with that. Make better funeral. Here when the dead way. Here when the demo. Ah? Hell. Who made you your body? Who can get the judge? Who dare? I'm not sir. Who get there?
I'm not logged into your Facebook.
Log into my Facebook. No, close it so that we sit for to do the live video. If this one off, I go live again. Ah, by my van. Every day I'm online. Hello. Hello. Where are you going? Oh, Naomi,
Bring his money back.
Naomi, Era Jesse Pastor no, Pastor Ima, Pastor Naomi, bring my son money back. Hello, me pege we. Hello. Hello.
I'm listening. Please keep explaining.
Hello. Church is coming. Church is coming. You want to listen to me? Oh, Igune. Igune. Ikamu wa ga dejo ma po. Ige wa ya na nugwa. Ige be tete mungwa. Ige be jeje mungwa. Ige ga kokute mungwa. Mama mimi. Emon omon mo pakoko. Emata. Gwa church zigonia. To university level. Iya na graduate. Ina vinya la webu. Emata. I pass power total. Owa total we gwegbe. Ma gwegbe. Oh, somebody no wa to tell don't you tell me me yakoka. Okay, mommy. Okay, I'm being. Okay, you come fast you. Okay, fast wa. Okay, fast wa. O da we. O ma are na fi no abege me ni atama obodo. Eh na gwe. Irema geme irema. Eh na gwe. 10% ima o. Wa.
People are coming. People are coming.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
She said, "I'm listening. Please keep explaining."
Hello, everyone. I'm going to share the video for me. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video. Share the video.
Please.
Say please, I'm begging you so that you will hear me with pastor, please. Everybody share it. Pastor, what's on the name? What's on the name? Pastor, no. Pastor, no, me. What's the oh, you meme guamu. Oh, meme iki. Iki answer you guaru. Who was the answer me? Guamadi, guamadi, kumeni yapia. Hey, church, I wait, I wait, church, Mari, kumeni yapia, mom. I tell you what, married too many happy more. What a mess. Okay, so anyway, but 10%. What is 10%? What is 10%? 10%
75 pounds.
Okay, mommy. 75 pounds. 75 pounds. Oh, 10%. I want 75 pounds. Explain my way.
Let them explain. People are joining.
I don't know explain my way.
Innocent is cool. No, sorry.
I don't know explain my way. I don't know. While I agree, then you explain. You concentrate in your wala. Wagume guy, wala go guy. Gume guy. No. Oh, you wow. Mama. Jawaka, Ronigbe. Ekpele gbe wa document ne pastor. Mama no di wa document ne pastor. Ona kunira ni gbe wa document ne pastor.
Keep sharing this video. Let everybody hear. You should say him.
Anyway, about 10%. Equal minus say, equal plus say, and equal times say, and equal divide. What is 10%? You just say it. Without your mouth, you say, ba, 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 ba. Say it to me. I weigh 75 pounds. Give me pen and paper.
Yes, ma.
I weigh 75 pounds. I weigh, 75 pounds every month. What do you, let me check. I don't know. Yeah, grandma no mama ya fia with there. I think here university. Me no university. Wait. HIP.
They can't see it, mommy.
Let me write.
Okay.
Wait, let me write. We're going plus attend. HIP. Evangelist church. Evangelist not talk evangelist church, but HIP. Away 30 pounds. What go? There. Away.
Jumbo.
Man not tell jumbo. He may not tell jumbo we church. Away 10 pounds. If you not buy anything at the Ozek Barani, or one man get them away Zek Barani. Away 10 pounds. He make no yourself. Away all free. Away 40 pounds. What buy your tongue? 40 pounds. All free. Then are you making? Away time.
10%, which is 75.
10%, which is 75 pounds. Like what going? 75 pounds.
And then venue.
Away venue, that is even church in a pay. You're gonna contribute to the church. Yeah, away 50 pounds. Oh my God. Away 50 pounds a venue. Away 50 pounds. 50 pounds. What more your tongue? What calculator? Voila. 30 plus 10. 40. 40 plus 40 times 80. 80 plus 75 pounds, which is 10% in a salary. That is, 5. How many? 15. You get church. You're gonna pay rated church. No, where you buy 50 pounds. We went students in other UK. Oh my God.
No, mate, there's more. You still have to.
I wear 50 pounds.
But then the office is here. Oh my God.
Which is 200 down. Which is 200 down. Which is 205. Which is 205. Which is 205. Don't mommy me. Nobody should mommy me now. Please. I wear 205. No more pan or student. A student every month. That's 5 years. Oh, you wapulere. 205 every month. Oh, when you say your church.
Oh, wait, times 5. Which one times 5? Mommy, oh, you are destroying that is present online. You are destroying.
Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to Shine Your Eye YouTube channel. So this evening I want to talk about this woman wey cry come out for UK. You say pastor dey scam his son. Say pastor dey collect money from the young man. So I dey always dey talk. I move my Facebook right from time say most people wey dey vulnerable na pastor dey pray on. If you see the African church nowadays, it consists of old people, uneducated people, even educated people sef, some no get sense. People wey be say they no dey use their common sense, na dey go church nowadays. People wey no dey use their common sense. You see many of the pastors wey be say they don fade for life. Many people, men, women wey be say they don fail for life, they don't get talent, they don't get anything to do. Next thing na to carry franchise, say they be pastor and franchise of white Jesus. They want sell am right now. They collect money, they do things wey be say they dominant, make they fit take collect money from another people when they see say it they vulnerable. I notice say for African church, you no fit talk with your common sense, you no fit reason with your logic. In any corner of that church, you no fit talk anything wey be say e dey contrary to their beliefs, e dey contrary to wetin e be say pastor or mommy tell you. The moment when you be say you begin to think out of the box, you don't have problem with that. You go get problem immediately with the members, with the pastor, with everything. If be say the compo pastor for the position of dominant and power, when be say na him get the last word for everything when they talk. When be say pastor go lie, pastor go do everything, or at the end of the day, everything wey pastor want e no pass money. Because if you see most of these pastor, immediately they don't dey frustrated, they don't get anything to do. The next thing na to find vulnerable people when they go gather together to dey lie, they brainwash, they collect their money 10%, church first offering, second offering, third offering of grace, offering of health, offering of lie. They go they just they use all those things till they brainwash people, they collect their money. Some people don't know. They will carry women, carry men, carry people where we say he put themselves in the position where they feel steal from them, where they feel like to them. They go just they collect from them. Before you go know, before you go wise, all your finance don't go. Una see as this man take the brainwash this small boy. Maybe go they lie, give am the still vision for her. Say this one bad, this one bad, this one bad. Some pastors don't cause too much problem for family for Africa. They don't destroy so many family for Africa with lie, with division. Because if they divide, they will conquer your mind. If they tell you say your mama na wish, they tell you say your papa na wish. If you have problem, you no go fit go ask them. If you have that, you no go fit go ask them. There are things when be say you don't know, your auntie, your mother, your father know. Once they don't already poison those people, face, mind for you, say they're bad, you no fit go ask them anything. They will tell you say they keep your secret from all these people because anything when they hear or they know about you, they will spoil her. That is why you see say today too much conflict for many family for Africa. Now pastor cousin, person go say mama na wish, the other one go say sister na wish, the other one go say na person the warrior, person will not go find work one day, never do CV one day say they find work, he go say na person the warrior. That is why we have so much conflict with the churches every corner, everywhere, immorality everywhere, lack of respect, beef scammer every corner. How many pastors when you know say you get better life? Before they come to church, they get good job, they get good company, they get something tangible important what they do, they don't create legacy before they become a pastors. If you look all their pictures, go Richard Deboye, Christian Yahilome, when they become a pastor, they be nothing but a church rat. They don't get anything. They don't get nothing for their account are zero. They enrich themselves through the crowd of people donating for them. Next thing when you go here, they go talk say God enrich them, God provide them. They are testimony. They are people you have to look up to. You won't be mumu. You want go to look up to people when be say every Sunday, every Friday, every Saturday, bunch of people they donate, they put money for plate for them. Imagine for Christ Embassy, 1 million people put one naira for offering. How much be that for that Sunday? Imagine for Redeemed Christian Church, Adeboye Church, they get 500,000 church bench warmer or church goer. They put 5 naira for plate. Count how much they there. So you know say as person when be say that they donate for, that they give money every month or every week or every day as offering, as gift, after whatever, will come the boast say na God blessing, na God bless her. You no come think and say you be the mumu. This one go work 8 hours, you go call dey give person wey sit down your tithe. That one na the biggest mogul, e pain me as a mother say na small boy wey be say just dey start life, pastor wey suppose to give the boy money inside the millions and millions, na he come dey steal from them because all the intention of many pastors, 80% or 90% of the pastors na money. Wetin push them to open church in the first place na money, nothing more. All their own na how we go take get money, how we go take steal, how we go take collect from these people. Now wetin they dey think every minute with their wife. All these women wey dey vulnerable, when the one wey dey find husband, na they go first test the kpekus first. The one wey dey find pikin, they go test the kpekus. The one wey dey dies, they collect in every aspect of people's life. See the small boy now, as this pastor they collect money from her one by one, they collect money from the boy. In 5 years, the boy no fit save money. How can a pastor carry a 2 leg go open church? He go dey wait make member come dey donate money every month. Who does that? You go dey wait make your member come donate money every month when e be say no be dem send you make go open church. If they, I don't fit talk and say if they remove money from church, all these pastors will enter house, they will find work. Say money no dey church, nobody dey donate. Every this pastor they will enter house go sit down. But as e be say African people, they don't brainwash them, they don't get sense. They will continue to feed this nonsense when e be say pull everybody go backward. We will continue to feed them, not until many people go don't see with their 2 eye. All these things go affect a lot of people direct, because if people they talk about and say how much you give pastor, but somebody when they lazy, e no go fit the collective donation. At the end, he go say na God do one for her, na God do this one for her, na God do that one for her. Meanwhile, people when they underrate, they talk anyhow to for altar, now they pay the money. When they drive big car, they live for mansions, they do everything. It no make sense at all. If you know say your God really they work, stop collecting offering, stop collecting tithe, stop collecting offering of grace, offering of wealth, offering of whatever one of the name and now stop collecting it. Go and work like other people, and let's see how your God is multiplying your needs and everything. Pastor collect money from this boy, collect money from this boy. Small 250 wey remain where the boy go for save. Na lie, pastor still collect am from her. They brainwash them. They always look for who they want steal from. They always look for what they work for them. And then they go they boast with their God. It's not fair. If your God is really working, is really giving you money, stop collecting offering in churches. Stop it. The scam is too much. Now they scam people, now they deceive people, now they destroy people home, now they destroy people mind, now they destroy people finance. See Daniel Mokachi today now, nothing for him. He go church, they collect the remaining small money from his hand, he come and say drink for them. Not be shame be that. Enough is enough. And now when the young people stay away from church, I dey tell them stay away from church. You can find peace, not be church. When you can find love, not be church. It's finding yourself and working on your vulnerability. Don't allow people to take advantage of you. Love yourself. Stop following religion. Follow humanity. Don't be religion. You go live humanity, which is you and me. Now they don't follow religion. Now the result be this. Now they don't follow miracle. Now the result be this. You get capacity, you get paper, you get CV for UK. How can you go and meet one pastor to be praying for you? I remember when somebody they find paper that time, they carry and go meet one pastor. As they carry and go meet one pastor, na im mother carry am go give the pastor. When time reach, pastor come dey pass the mother back go dey draw the boy money. Come give me money, come give me money. He say he use mistake tell the pastor say he send him mother some money. Pastor tell am say you send your mother money, see send come for me. The phone, he carry phone go give pastor and the mama. As pastor see mama own, pastor call am say that phone wey you bring come for me sha no be say e no good, but I like the one wey you bring come for your mama. People should have sense. You see na so pastor dey draw money up and down say want to pray make e get paper. Whatsoever problem you get, if na document go and look for the law of the country and gather all the paper wey you need to bring come and put am in, you go get your document. No be pastor wey never baff wan give you document. Him too, no be God give am document. He meet the requirement, na they give am document. Stop to dey lis ten to person wey dey backward already. Some of these pastors, they no dey brush their teeth sef, their problem sef, e pass them. But una no go hear, una go continue to dey lis ten to them. Make they dey brainwash una, dey steal from una, dey deceive una. There are more people wey wetin be African problem today, all these pastors. So una wake up, una shine una eye and know wetin una dey do. I have teenager daughter like that. I no go want as she dey go school, so tomorrow one pastor go come carry her money, dey come dey keep say na wetin come offering, na new yam offering. E no fair at all. Mothers, teach your children not to stop running after religion. Teach them to stop running after religion, to stop running after churches. Their money is for them, not be for any pastor. That any pastor that asks them for money is fake. Okay? So now the Shine Your Eye YouTube channel be this, so una go listen to the video when go attached to this commentary. Make una for listen to everything. I love all of una. Bye bye. Now the Shine Your Eye YouTube channel. Bye.